Hello and welcome to the Discord bot WebSocket tutorial. This is part 3 of the series. If you have any suggestion for another video, leave it in the comments. I'm going to add a form. This will contain the text field for send and the message and the button for submitting. After saving the file, I'm going to add the functionality to send a message. This needs a client. I'm going to add it in the constructor. To send a message you need your guild ID and channel ID. To get it, go under Setting to Advanced and Developer Mode. Now you can click at the wheel when hovering over the channel and press copy it. The same thing with the guild. Hover over the name and press copy. After I deployed the IDs in an empty file for later, I'm going to loop over the guilds the bot is in. In the loop I'm testing if the guild's ID is the same as I want. If this is true, it should send the value of my message box. After this is set up, I want to select the channel the message is sent in. For this I'm creating a select box. In the select box I'm adding an each block to iterate through the array I'm giving it. After saving it I'm searching again through the guilds and getting the channels. For every channel I'm going to create an object. This object contains the name and ID. Now I can select the channel. But it isn't sending the message in the right channel. To do this, I'm going to change the message send button. I'm now getting the selected channel ID instead of the static ID.